Believers Radio. Hey yo, welcome back again to Believers Records, the show where we drop your heat every 4 times of the week. So guys, in today's video, I'll be walking you through this lo-fi drum kit volume 4. So there was a 1, there was a 2, a 3, and now there's a 4, you know. Crazy sounds as always, man. You know, we always got you 24/7. So there's so many sounds in here. There's 808s, there's claps, there's closed hi-hats, there's open, there's kicks, there's percussion, and there's snares. You know, everything that you need to get you started in making that crazy lo-fi beat. So before we actually go further, I would like to give you that daily reminder. If you're new here, kindly subscribe to the channel. It surely does help us a lot. And be sure to hit that notification bell so you can get notified every time I drop you some heat. And also, if you like this video, you can go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Alright, without no further ado, let's go ahead and let's go ahead and get started into this. So as you can see in this one, there's no midis here, so but I promise you guys in the next one there's definitely gonna be midis in there. So yeah, so let's proceed with this. So I'm gonna start you off first with the 808s. Alright, claps. Alright, closed hi-hats. Alright, kicks. Yeah, open hi-hats. Alright, percussion. Alright, snares. Yeah, man, that's it for the kit, man. This is not a long video. I just wanted to show you the drum kit. So yeah, that's it, man. So guys, I do offer mixing and mastering services, so you guys are down for that. If you guys are down for that, just hit me up on my number that's all up on the screen, and we'll talk. Or maybe if you guys just want to talk about music, you know, just hit me up. Just hit me up, man, and you know, we'll talk. Brothers and sisters out here. So yeah, that's it, man. So enjoy the kit. And make crazy banging beats with this, and I'm gonna see you on the next one. Namaste, stay safe, goodbye.